But then you don't you want us a different color because we do 10 different colors,
Okay.
right? So we can do this purple. We can do this one, either that one or this one or two. Cute. This one looks good. Purple is this one, but this one like more maroon. Alright. This one done? Oh, okay, is this two? So which one should we do this to? I can do purple on this one. But this one doesn't have yellow. Oh, sorry. This one needs some colors on it. This one needs some colors on it. We can do this one. We'll do this one. Had a cutie. Give it some like colors. Give the pinky the most beautiful crystals. This is more like a rainbow. It's like cute. I have one of biggest one on this pinky. Try to keep it all in the frame because you don't want it to be just going on off in the frame and hanging off in the frame. It looks bulky, and also that, and makes your nails looks wider. Okay, gear for 30-second flash gear.